Friends, Running Kimono here. So we have an exciting video with some very cheap items curbside. But before we hop into that, we're going to talk about some free prints. So if you use the code exactly as pictured, 2FREEPIC, put it in the coupon code box, you'll get 2 5x7 prints for free. And get them to pick them up at the store. It's 1 per store card. And will a booster print with that? I don't know as of yet. But 2 free prints, it's definitely worth seeing if that booster might print, or just a cute little Valentine's Day print that you can have for free, courtesy of Walgreens. In case you missed it, yesterday I made a video where I got a haul of 250 plus penny items. And it was trippy. It was fun. I was actually really tired when I was recording the video because it was like go, go, go nonstop. And I even tired myself out, which is really hard to do. But if you have a Dollar General near you and it's an older store, you might want to, moonwalk down that clearance aisle or the toy aisle and see if you could possibly find the items that I was finding. Definitely the next clearance event, a lot of these toys will be populated in those gray totes because that's where they're usually homed, and there's going to be a ton of penny items to find. So anyhow, guys, if you want to watch this video, I'll link it at the very end. I uploaded it a little bit later in the day, but you might want to check it out. Okay, so we're going to talk about everybody's favorite is the Nivea lotion and body wash. We're going to do this deal 2 different ways. The promotion is to buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. And this is done curbside as well, my friends, because you can use this code of $5 off of 15 when you use the code Nivea. So that is curbside only. So we have these 2 digital coupons that we're going to utilize in this first basket. And to let you guys know, the estimates in the app are still not showing for me. And what is Wednesday today? So the week that they have the Monster P&G deal, the app has got problems. So go figure that one out. It's frustrating. So I did this all on a desktop computer. If you want to see your estimates as well, I recommend to use your laptop or a regular desktop, log into your Walgreens account, and it's showing there, but not on a tablet or a phone. First item that we're going to grab is 3 of these Nivea men's body washes. They are a little bit cheaper than the ladies, and we have a $2 digital that is applying. Now, if you head over to your Checkout 51 and Swag Bucks, as you're only using 1 manufacturer coupon, there are rebates for both of those body washes on the 2 different apps. So make sure you have them clipped and loaded. And also, I would recommend if your store does not give you receipts, you're going to be in trouble. So you have to ask the cashier very nicely, hey, can you process this through a regular register? And a receipt should print out for you. If they don't have that ability to do it for you, this obviously isn't the deal for you. The next item we're going to grab is one of these lotions for $8.99. Now, I know a lot of people are looking for specifically deals with lotions because it is really punishing weather out there, especially if you live in a colder climate, dealing with ashy skin. And we also have a $2 digital for said product. Okay, so here it is, $23.99. The code Nivea, $5 off. We have $4 in manufacturers, free curbside pickup. So the total here is $16.13. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it, because the deal is buy 3, get back 5. The word buy is in there. So yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. You'll pay $6.13, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And then you're going to photograph your receipt to Swag Bucks and Checkout 51 for an additional $4 back. And remember, you need your receipt, so you have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register and not use that handheld, or you will not get a receipt. Deal number 2, we are going to be grabbing 4 body washes for exactly $20. And you might have to mix and match a little bit if your store, like this is one item, they only keep like 3 in stock. It's really weird. And remember, we have a $2 digital for this friend, plus $2 back from Swag Bucks and $2 back from Checkout 51. And we're also going to use this coupon code Nivea for an additional $5 off of a $15 purchase. So here we are at $5 off with that coupon code, an additional $2 off with the manufacturer. You're going to pay $13 plus tax, get back 5, and then you're going to apply for $2 back from Swag Bucks, $2 back from Checkout 51. So it makes it $4 for the 4, or $1 per Nivea men's body wash. that's a very good stock up price. If you wanted to go with a lotion because you need it for ashy dry skin or just for your beauty routine, obviously the first deal. But if you just want to go with core body wash, this is the deal of the week for body wash. That's it for this video, guys. Oh, and if you want to use Walgreens cash for this basket, go for it because the promotion is buy 3 get back 5, so that should work. That is it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.